We are utilizing KingswaySoft very heavily with all of our data integrations. We are currently pulling data from Oracle. So they're giving us all kinds of contacts, accounts, orders, deliveries, invoices, and the scale of it is pretty huge. So about 9 million orders, 5 million invoices, 5 million deliveries, and then we're running a sync with all of those records to keep them in sync daily. So quite a feat, but all of this is handled through KingswaySoft. So it looks simple, and what I'm going to show you is going to be very straightforward, but this can scale really quickly. So you can get something set up very quickly and then scale very quickly. So it just allows a lot of flexibility in terms of getting something to demoable state so the clients can appreciate, like, wow, my data's in CRM, in a few days or weeks. So like I said, my background, I've worked multiple projects with this, 9 million records, millions and millions of records. KingswaySoft has multi-threading capabilities, so the records can go in pretty quickly, and it's just a great feature. So let's move on over to the website. So pull up KingswaySoft. All right, KingswaySoft Data Integration Solutions. So this is the website. As you can see, they have quite an extensive product line. So our main solution here will be following this CRM integration. But as you can see, they're quite extensive in terms of the data integrations they do. But I would say CRM is their strongest suit. So clicking on CRM Dynamics Integration Software. So made easy, and I would emphasize that. So loaded with advanced options, powerful ETL tool. So it can really do a lot. ETL, simplified, ultimate edition. So quite a lot of stuff. We're not going to go through everything today, but just wanted to show you. So this is the website you'll go to if you want to download this package. So here is the download page. So this is basically where you'll get the KingswaySoft package. So 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on what you need. Testimonials. So just wanted to emphasize this is used throughout the industry. So there's quite a few projects on here you can read through in your own time where this has been implemented and people are really enjoying it. And it's widely supported. There are, so if you go to what's new, so there's features being released every monthly, I'd say, to where CRM is an evolving package and this package adapts to it. So there will be new features pushed out to CRM, like common data service and stuff. Multi-option set, KingswaySoft supports all the latest features, and here you can go to see what they're implementing, along with some bug fixes and stuff like that. So it's not like an older, antiquated tool. This is alive and breathing, and it's well supported. And then if you have any questions or want to dig deeper, there's a nice little help manual here to get you started with everything in terms of content. And then a frequently asked questions page, and then a purchase section. So want to go over the license structure here. So on-premises, there's an on-premises and then a Azure cloud service license. So on-prem, there is a yearly function to where you sign up for a subscription, and it's $1,000 a year. And then you get supported. The cool thing about this, so just beforehand, so let me step back. You don't need a license. You can download this package and then run everything locally. You don't need to pay for anything. So the only where the line is drawn for licensing is when you schedule this package. So literally every one of you after this could download this package and get going. And for side projects or for just loading data quickly into tables, you could use it in your own time. And then if you want to go to production, that's when you hook up the licenses to schedule it through SQL Server. So that's where the line is drawn. But it's a good way to kind of get your foot in the door with how the workflow is, see if you like it, and then there's really no commitment if it's not appropriate for the task. So it's good, easy to pull down, easy to use, well supported. So going back to the licenses, so we have on-premises, so single server license. So this is where it's yearly, and then you'll have, when you keep the subscription live, you'll get all updates for free, all maintenance for free. And then there's a perpetual license, which is a little bit more spendy, $2,000 a month, or perpetual. But the thing is, you will only get support for a year for the upgrades. But then on top of that, if you want upgrades, then there's an additional 500 USD annual maintenance upgrade on top of that. So that's on premises, and then for Azure, there's just a flat $1,500 USD license. So this is for 1 year. So there is no like perpetual license option for Azure. So that's the license structure. I would consider that pretty cheap for what you get out of it. Like I said, all data migrations for certain projects. The backbone is KingswaySoft. For this price, I think you're getting a steal, and the clients would be too. Alrighty.